start our third attack with full army of Valkyries. This time I'm using king and queen of higher levels. So let's see friends how much we can go with full army of Valkyries. Find a match. This time we are having a good level of king queen also, so I hope this time we will get more to the percentage covered. So friends, this is the base we have got. Let's use all full army of Valkyries on this base. The base looks bit compact and walls are also of high level, max level for I think town hall 12. And okay, no problem friends, just remember that it would be good if we clear the eagle artillery first, rest things will be done with spells. So friends, let's start our attack. First I am using my barbarian king as a tank, queen from the behind the barbarian king, from the center my wall wrecker, few Valkyries to funnel the things. Here goes my full army of Valkyries now, the fast speed Valkyries. Here goes my warden. Here comes their clan castle troops. I have deployed my poison spells here using the warden's ability, queen, 2 heal spells. See the Valkyries getting to the very center of the base, and the town hall has been blown. The Valkyries are moving at a very fast rate and destroying. See how the Valkyries are destroying the very compact bases. And so if the structures are very closely spaced, the Valkyries get to the very core of the base. So by now 64%, 68%, Valkyries just shattering everything that comes in their way. Their Electro Dragon is following the team, but by now it's already 75%, 74%, and we have covered a very good loot. Even the town hall has been destroyed. So this much is the effective the Valkyries. If Valkyries are very effective in this way. So friends, thanks for watching all the attacks with Valkyries. We will try to get new attack series after this video. Thank you friends for watching single troop type Valkyrie attacks. Okay friends, let's start our second attack with full army of Valkyries, the glorious Valkyries with its whirlwind blow ability. So let's scout our second base for our single type of troop attack series. Find a match. So Valkyries are like powerful troop. It is having a very good hit points and also a very good power, and its biggest advantage is as soon as it gets between the structures, it blows with its 200x. The Valkyrie blows up the structures. So friends, this is the base we have got. Let's try this base with full army of Valkyries. In my siege barracks also, siege machine also, I am using Valkyries. So friends, let's target first the eagle artillery and the town hall. Here goes my barbarian king, archer queen. Let's get to this inferno tower with our wall raker. Let's use remaining Valkyries here. Let's deploy our warden behind the Valkyries. Let's use one raid spell here. Let's unlock the, now I have used the warden's ability here. I have used the heal spell, red spell, heal spell, 3 poison spells to cover their clan castle. So see friends how the Valkyries are moving at very fast rate. Luckily their skeletons got destroyed with our by poison spells. So my Valkyries have reached their town halls. So it's a very good attack. I think this time we will get the town hall. So it's 73% by now. Still our Valkyries are moving. Warden is covering and giving them the health boost. So Warden is doing a very great job with the Valkyries. With my king and queen of 40 level also, we have succeeded a good attack on this base. Let's see how much the Valkyries can destroy this base. Go Valkyries, go attack. So the Valkyries moving Valkyries are the queen of wind, wind queen, moving at a very good rate. One giant bomb. Grand Warden 86% by now. So I think it can be 90% or something. Okay, no friends, it's 88% I think. So only last block remained of the opponent. With a very good level of king queen, you can get 100% of this base. With 45-45 or 50-50 king queen, I am sure you can get 100%. So Valkyries are also very powerful. The Warden attacking the wizard tower. Basically with single troop type of armies you can find the strengths of each troop, the power of each troop, and how to command them. So Warden attacking the welcome Clash Warriors. Today we are going to proceed with our attacks with single type of troop, and today we are trying to use all the army full of Valkyries of level 7 at Town Hall 12, and we will see how far the Valkyries can go on attack while farming, looting, and we will be using our heroes also to cover our troops. So friends, let's start our first attack. Let's see which opponent we get. Full army of Valkyries. In the siege machine also we are using all the Valkyries. So friends, let's see how the Valkyries can be successful. Full army of Valkyries, and let's find our match. And to tackle the clan castle troops of the opponent, we are using 3 poison spells. That would be enough. So friends, this is the base we have got, Town Hall 12. It's a big base but not too much complications, and the walls are at good level. Town Hall 12 good walls. So friends, let's start our attack. I have taken my wall breaker. Let's deploy our wall breaker from the eagle artillery side. It would be better if we destroy the eagle artillery the first and the most. So here goes our wall breaker. From the center side I am deploying my barbarian king. I am trying to break the walls as fast as I can. Now I'll be using all the Valkyries here. All my Valkyries going. Here goes my Warden to cover the Valkyries. Here comes the rage spell. Warden's ability. Here I have unlocked my wall breaker, heal spell, rage spell, heal spell. By now there is no opponent clan castle troops. Let's use the 3 poison spells if we need on the skeletons, opponent skeletons or opponent's heroes. Let's use them here. Here comes the skeletons, and I have used the poison spells to safeguard my Valkyries. So friends, see how the Valkyries are attacking at a very fast rate. So this is our first attack with Valkyries. So you can see how the Valkyries are very powerful and very much, you can say, effective on this base and reliable also. So friends, let's see, 94%, 1 star. Very spectacular attack this is with Valkyries. So at the center the giant bomb. Okay, the dark elixir has been finished. Okay, 95%, 1 star. So friends, see how the Valkyries have destroyed the base in no time, and we all love the Valkyries voice. Thank you friends for watching our first attack with the Valkyries.